It was a chaotic week for Silicon Valley Bank as it was hit with a wave of sudden deposits withdrawals followed by the bank's ultimate failure on Friday, leaving both investors and entrepreneurs in shock. Despite the terrible news, a new wave of hope has come over the Silicon Valley Bank's loyal supporters as more than 300 venture capital firms have signed a joint statement vowing to continue business with the SVB if it is purchased and appropriately capitalized. It all started on Wednesday when SVB CEO Greg Becker announced that the bank needed to raise $2.25 billion to shore up its balance sheet, leading to a wave of withdrawals on Thursday as some venture firms withdrew their own money. In response to this, the California regulator shuttered SVB, seized its deposits, and triggered a trading halt on Friday. The SVB failure marks the largest in U.S. banking since the 2008 financial crisis and the second largest ever, leading to worry from many investors and entrepreneurs, especially from those whose deposits are not insured under the $250,000 cap. In response, many influential figures in the tech and finance world called for the government to take radical steps in protecting the deposits over the $250,000 cap and restore trust in mid-sized banks. This is where the joint statement comes in. It was shared by many individual venture capitalists on social media following the bank's failure, expressing a willingness for all venture firms to do business again with the Silicon Valley Bank providing it is purchased and appropriately capitalized. Examples of some big-name venture firms that have signed the statement are Excel, Cowboy Ventures, Greylock, Lux Capital, and Sequoia, to name a few. The Federal Deposit and Insurance Corporation will cover up to $250,000 per depositor and may be able to begin paying back depositors under that cap as early as Monday. It remains to be seen, however, the extent of the deposits that will see a full or partial recovery and whether there will immediate buyers to acquire the bank's operations. Overall, it is hopeful news to many tech startups and firms that invest in them, and while it is uncertain whether Silicon Valley Bank will be able to prevail in the long run, hope remains that with the right capitalization and purchase, SVB can continue to support the innovation economy in the United States.